Hi everyone, David here from daviddumaiaudio.com, and in this video I want to show you how to create a siren sound effect from scratch. Now if you're new here, I want to invite you to take a free workshop that I created for you. It's a workshop on how I create sound effects, or how I sell sound effects and earn $200 to $500 a month passive income from those sound effects. So if you haven't seen the workshop yet, just go to daviddumaiaudio.com/workshop. I'll also put a link in the description, and if you're interested in that. All right, let's get into our project. All right, so for this tutorial, I'm actually going to use Phaseplant as my synth of choice, but you can use pretty much any synth as long as you follow along with the modulators and the wavetables that I'm going to be using. So why don't we just get started from scratch? The first thing I'm going to do is just choose a wavetable. Here, we're probably going to change this, but for now, I'm going to leave it at the default wavetable. And then one of the most important things that we're going to do first is going to be our LFO. So for our LFO, I like to pick something. I like to create my own here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make the grid as wide as possible. I'm going to bring that up like that. And we're just going to choose the shape of that siren sound. So it's going to be something like this. And this is going to be like our pitch going up of the sound and then going down. So I want to go up really, really slowly and then back down slowly as well. So I might edit this some more later, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. And I'm just going to play now actually, I'm going to assign this to the shift here. And let's just play a note and have a listen. So we can hear it's really way too fast. So I'm going to bring this all the way down to the lowest I can put it, which is 0.1 hertz, and have it listen to this. All right, so now we have our basic shape or sound and tuning of the alarm, the siren sound. So next, I'm going to just increase the attack a little bit here, just so whenever I hit a note, we don't get this hard click sound. And just like that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add unison on this, just because I want to detune the sound a bit. And this is the second part that's important. So the first part that's kind of crucial to our siren sound is going to be the LFO, because this is going to be the shape of our sound. And then the next part is detuning the sound, so using unison. So I'm going to modulate this with the same LFO here. So. And I'm also going to modulate the spread. And finally, the last important part is going to be the reverb. So I'm just going to add a reverb for now, and then we're going to be able to kind of tweak our sound a lot more. And this is just going to help us to get the idea of the sound that we want here. So. Okay, so I'm going to go aim around 42% is where I want it to end up. So I'm just going to add this on here. Okay, so now we have the basic sound or idea of the sound that we want. So I'm just going to add some other stuff and play around a bit just to fine tune it and just to get a fuller sound. So let's have a listen. So I'm just going to detune a bit more here. I'm going to modulate the mix. Another thing we can modulate is the frame, so that it goes through the wavetable. So let's have a listen to that, see if it helps. So maybe I'll do a bit of that because it's a lot more aggressive. Sounds pretty good. Another thing I like to add sometimes is a delay. Just got to add space to the sound, kind of like the reverb. So it's just a different kind of feel. So let's try this. So that's pretty good for me. Again, you see the mix here is pretty low. I might even modulate the mix on this one a little bit. So what I'm hearing is a bit of like wobbly or warbly noise. So when I'm playing through the sound, so I think it's from the detuning here. So I'm going to try to make it so that when the pitch goes back down, I don't get that fluttery sound. So this is what I'm playing with here. So I just want to make sure that as it goes up, it can detune, but then as it goes back down, it really stays a clear sound. So let's try that again. Okay, so this is okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to find a different envelope, a different wavetable, because this one, it's okay. I might even come back to it, but I think we can get something better. So. So that's pretty good. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this group so that I get a brand new group here, which is the exact same. So this is our first group, and I have the exact same thing for our second group. But for this second one, I'm going to pitch it up now. And I think I'm going to send these to a separate lane. So this one's going to go to lane 2, which has nothing right now. So let's just have a listen to what it sounds like. So this one's just an octave higher and going to lane 2, so no effects on it. So for this one, I want it to not be in tune with the other one. So this is what I'm going to play around with here. I'm just going to increase the detune. I just hear it by itself. We're going to try a different wavetable so it has a different sound. I'm looking for something a bit harsher. Let's try that. Maybe I'll copy and paste this over here. And maybe I'll add something like a chorus or something. I just want it to be more detuned. Right now it's too clean almost. So that's pretty good. So I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty close to a good sound. I think I would play a bit more with the sounds here because when it's coming back down in pitch, I'm really hearing like tonal stuff, which I don't like and I don't want. Maybe I can try to find it. Let's see if it's coming, which group it's coming from. So that one seems okay. Let's try this one. It could also be that it's just when these two wavetables like meet together, they're kind of creating like phasing. That's a little better. Maybe I'll modulate the phase so it's not so obvious. I think it's helping. And that's pretty much it. So I think I might even add another reverb to kind of blend the two sounds together. I might play a bit with could also play with like I said before, the wavetables here, because choosing different wavetables, you'll get like a different sound, which is pretty cool. But these are pretty good. Like normally, whenever you get something like a triangle wave or something like that, you usually get a pretty good sound for this Siren sound effect. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for creating a Siren sound effect. So I hope you guys liked that and found it useful and valuable. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if I missed something, or if there's something I could have done better. Yeah, so I think that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. And just a reminder, if you haven't seen that workshop, link will be in the description. So that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.